Experiment number 5. Today's date 4/3/21. Page number Laws of reflection of sound. Experiment number 5. Today's date. Page number. Laws of reflection of sound. Aim to verify the laws of reflection of sound. Material required: 2 glass tubes, vertical reflector. It is also called as a polished wooden drawing board. Sounding body like clock. This is a diagram for this experiment. Now we will see the theory. Laws of reflection. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. When sound travels in a given medium, it strikes the surface of another medium and bounces back in some other direction. This phenomenon is called the reflection of sound. The waves are called the incident and the reflected sound waves. Procedure. Point number 1. Arrange 2 glass tubes AB and CD each horizontally at some angle in front of a vertical reflector R1 R2. Point number 2. At the mouth A of the tube AB, place a sound body like a clock. Point number 3. Adjust the inclination of the tube CD with respect to the reflector R1 R2 so that the sound is distinctly and loudly heard when the ear is placed at D. Point number 4. Mark the portion of tube AB and CD. Point number 5. Draw a dotted line from the center of diameter of tube AB and CD and extend up to reflector board. Draw a normal. Point number 6. Measure the angle between the sound waves coming from the tube AB and the normal, that is, angle of incidence of sound waves. Number 7. Angle AON, called the angle of incidence, angle I. Point number 8. Then measure the angle of reflection, that is, angle between normal and the central line, drawn from the tube CD when the sound is distinctly and loudly audible. This is the angle of reflection of sound wave, angle R, that is angle DON. Now, draw the observation table. Serial number, angle of incidence, angle AON, angle of reflection, angle DON. Result. Point number 1. Since the tubes are normal to the vertical reflector and the reflected wave lie on one and the same plane, the first law is verified. Number 2. The angle of incidence and the angle of reflection of sound are found to be equal, which verifies the second law. Precautions. The inner surface of the metallic tube should be highly polished. Metal plate should be highly polished. The clock should be close to the tube, but it should not touch the tube. The ends of metallic tubes should project out at least 1 cm from the edge of the tabletop.